Hey there, Para folks. Here's how to resize objects in Paralives. If you've got some furniture or decor that you find a bit lacking in size, length, or width, don't worry, the game's got you covered. To resize objects, press Tab to open the Build menu. Then select the object you want to resize. After selecting it, you'll see arrows beside the object. Click and drag one of those arrows to increase the object's length in that direction. There's a limit to how much you can stretch it, so adjust it carefully. But you might be asking, how do I increase its height or overall size? To do this, open the Advanced Transform tool from the bottom toolbar after selecting an object. Click on the circle with the 3 dots to open a new menu, then select the Transform tool. You'll now see new colored lines appear around the object. To change its height, drag the green line with the cube tip upward or downward. Drag it up to increase the height and drag it down to decrease it. You can do the same for the sides as well. Just drag the red or blue lines with the cube tips to change the object's width. Unless you want to rotate the object, try not to touch any of the colored circles. Make the necessary adjustments until you get your desired size. Once you're satisfied, click the large check button on the bottom toolbar to confirm the changes. You can do the same for other objects as well. The only limit is your imagination. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.